Today I'm going to show you how to do your initial DroneScan connection to the DroneScan hardware. So you start your DroneScan software as usual. If this tick is on, then it will automatically start the scanning screen. If the scanning screen's not on, then you just click on this button and it waits.
Hello,
It automatically
Drone
connects to the
1.
drone and downloads all the settings from the drone. The beeping noise is the drone sending its settings. You should be able to click on a bin location and it should automatically beep that the drone's confirming that it's received that command. So let's go through the situation where sometimes that doesn't happen as planned. I'm going to simulate that error happening. So let's say, for example, I'm unplugging my serial port. I'm going to go back into the scan and you can see it comes up with a red line here, error connecting to COM port. So in that particular case, either it's choosing the wrong COM port, or it can't find a COM port, or it's diverted to a serial port of some other device that's not the DroneScan equipment. In that case, click on Show Advanced Settings. So the only thing you need to concern yourself with here, don't worry about changing anything else, is this COM port. You can see when I drop it down, there's no COM ports in the list. What you need to do is plug in the DroneScan receiver and click this button. It will refresh. So you can see I haven't plugged it in. Now I'm going to plug it in. Your USB should make a noise. And then you should refresh. And you should see your COM port number 4. As soon as you click this COM port and you click Open Port, it says connected to COM port at the bottom. And you should get your drone
Hello,
automatically popping up.
Drone 1.
So that's a quick fix for that issue. I'm going to simulate it again. I'm going to unplug my COM port. I'm going to go to the scan screen. It can't connect to its COM port. It doesn't know which COM port to connect to. It's looking for COM4. It can't find COM4. So plug in my COM port again. Click the button. Click refresh. Yes, COM4 is in the list, and click open port. So that's how you fix that problem. But how do you know if you've got multiple ports? You might have other devices, COM1, 2, 3, 4. I'll show you that in a minute, but just to note that once you've done this once, as long as that USB device is plugged in, every time you run the system, it will try and load up COM4 or whatever your COM port
Hello,
is. It'll load the last
Drone 1.
So as long as your COM port is plugged in and it stays on COM4, which with Windows it does, 99.9% of the time it'll always stay as COM4, even if you plug other devices in, it's COM4. Let me show you how to see how COM4 works. So right click on the start button, go to device management. Sorry, that's the wrong one. That's disk management. You need to go to device manager. Sorry, not disk management, device manager. We close that. Device manager is coming up. So this lists all the hardware that's associated with your computer. And if you open this ports common LPT, you can see this COM4. Now, a good way to test if you've got multiple ports showing here, some systems might have a good way to see which port you're on, is to unplug the COM port, unplug the USB device, the DroneScan receiver. I'm unplugging it now. The screen will automatically refresh and the COM port disappears. You see I don't have any COM ports. So you do it by a process of elimination. You unplug the one and you see which one disappears. I'm going to plug it back in. And COM port 4 comes back in. So that's a confirmation that the DroneScan hardware will always be on COM4 on this computer. So that's a reminder to go back to your scan screen and it should be loading up COM4.
Hello, Drone 1.
So it's loading up COM4. Here, if I go show advanced settings, it's on COM4. So that's a little bit of a tutorial on COM ports, and you should never have to change that system after the first setup. It should just repeat itself every single time if nothing changes and using the same device.